I got the Pittsburgh Electric Hoist. It's a 440-pound hoist. We got it from Harbor Freight. We're going to install it in our attic to lift up heavy boxes we store up there. Let's open it up. We got 2 clamps here that we're going to clamp to our bar. That's going to support the hoist. I'm going to attach it with a heavy-duty fence pole. We had some aluminum in the yard, so we can make hangers for the hoist. All right, let's take the hoist out of here. You got your controls here on top. Move those out of the way. Pull this up out of here. Here's our 440-pound hoist out of the box. It weighs 25 pounds itself. Here's the secondary support hook. Without it, when you're lifting with just the single hook, you can only lift up to 220 pounds. But when you combine the hooks, you can lift up to 440 pounds. And then we have a bag of bolts here. Come with metal washers. The electric hoist also came with this instruction booklet.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece of heavy-duty fence post. We are going to mount this fence post.
The clamps will attach the fence post to the hoist. If you don't have anything laying around your yard, then I recommend picking up a square steel beam, but this is what we have.
And we made up these hangers to hang off the rafters. The pipe will go through here, and then this will be here to hold it on. Once we get it all installed, we'll show you more.
We used the plumb bob to find the center of the hole here and mark it before we set up our mount here to mount the hoist.
We already installed 2 brackets, got our finer center, and put our pipe across. We installed the top hole we bolted right through the rafter. The other 2 bolts on the bottom 2 hose here are lag nuts. We use 5/16 lag bolts and a 5/16 bolt on top to go through on each bracket to give it the extra support. But you got plenty of support here. The only thing is we made up 4 brackets. We put 2 up. We just don't want to be pulling off the 2 rafters. We want to make sure we have a good support for it. Just heavy-duty gauge fence post, it won't have no problem supporting 440 pounds.
To attach the supports, we clamp them to the rafters, and then we take our level to make sure that everything's in the proper position. Next, we drill holes to put the lag bolts through. Then we attach the lag bolts using a drill and a socket attachment while holding it in place on the other side with a wrench, securing the bolt with a nut and a metal washer. The same is then done for the next support. Here's a look at the lag bolt and the nut. Now that we have all the supports up, we attach the hoist to the fence pole. Here's a look at the supports, all bolted to the rafters. Here's a look at the hoist from below the ceiling, and the yellow controls to make it go up and down. So we're plugged in and attached. Let's try it out. We're using a single line because nothing that we're lowering down weighs more than 220 pounds. And with a single line you move at 26 feet per minute versus the double line, which is 13 feet per minute. Now we're going to send the hook back up. From the ground to the ceiling's probably around 18 feet, and then we're going to lower our next item down. The total cable length is 39 feet, so we have plenty of cable, and the cable diameter is 0.12 inches. Overall, we really like the hoist. It does exactly what it's supposed to do, and makes our life easier moving things up and down from the attic. Also, the motor is 120 volts or 60 hertz, 4.5 amps, and 3/5 horsepower. Finally, we're going to lower down our Christmas tree. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.